Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. Ashish here, and today I'll be covering a Sudoku variant called Thermo Sudoku on our channel. So this Sudoku is constructed by Damo, and we have already covered a video by this author, actually a video on the Sudoku by this author. So I really appreciate, and the previous Sudoku that we had covered was a classic Sudoku. So let's see if we are able to crack this Sudoku or not. And before going to the Sudoku, I would highly recommend you to please subscribe to the channel and Shackling Sudokus and Puzzles if you haven't done so. It will really motivate us to cover videos on regular basis. And if at all you have a request for any Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, you can let us know in the comment below and we'll surely make a video on it. And now coming back to this Sudoku, so let's start this Sudoku. Classic Sudoku rules apply. You need to place digits from 1 to 9 in each row, each column, and 3 into 3 box without repetition, right? So apart from that, you have some thermos in the grid. So the numbers on the thermos will have to start increasing from the round bulb to the end, right? The end of the thermo. So the numbers from this, the numbers on this thermo will start increasing. They will strictly increase. So what do I mean by that is, if you have a 2 year, you will have something that is greater than 2 year. It won't even be a same 2. So it has to be something greater than 2, and then that goes on till the end, right? With that, let's start solving this Sudoku. Okay, I can write 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5 4 5 6 5 6 7 and 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 6 7 8 9. The same thing it will go here. That is what we actually start Thermo Sudoku with. Usually the bigger thermos, we just write the candidates and see what happens. Now let's see what we can do here. I'm sorry. Yep. See, where can a 9 be? There is no possibility for 9 in any of these cells. So 9 would have to be in one of these two cells. Does that help us? It's a 4 cell thermo. I don't want to write all the candidates here. Not sure what I am. Nine in this row would have to be in one of these two cells. Come on. Oh, 9 in this row also, amazing, would have to be in one of these two cells. So you have a pointing of 9 in these two columns, I am sorry. So in this row and in this row, 9 is in on this cell and this cell. So you have an x wing of 9 now. So one of the 9s would have to be here and the other 9 would have to be here. This cell cannot be a 9. So this cell cannot be 8, 7, 6, 5 and a 4. Sorry. The same thing goes here, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. Right? Amazing. Oh, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4 quadruplet here. 3, 4, 5, 6 quadruplet here. So 5, 6 would have to be in one of these two cells. Amazing. That has to be 7, 8, 9. 1, 2 and a 1, 2. Okay, so this is not a 6, this is not a 6. We have a pointing of 1 in these two cells and a pointing of 4 in these two cells. Okay, so 1 cannot be in any of these cells, 1 cannot be here, 1 cannot be here, 1 cannot be here. So this cell would have to be a 1, that gives you a 9 here. Amazing. This cell is not a 9. None of these cells can be 6, 7 or an 8, because if you have 6 in any of these cells, you will have to have something greater than 6 on these thermos. So none of these 4 cells can be 6, 7 or 8, which would have to be here. So this is not 8, this is not 6, this is not 8, 6, 7, 7, 8 and 8, 9. So these are 2, 3, 4 and a 5. 5 cannot be here, cannot be here. 2 cannot be here, cannot be here. Okay. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 quadruplet, 7, 8 pair, 5, 6 and 9. Oh, 7, 8 pair actually gives you a 9 here. Amazing. Wow, this Sudoku is actually amazing. See the way it is solving. It's a really smooth solve. Amazing one. Oh, this is 6, 7, this is 6, 7. So this has to be 8, 7. That 7 gives you a 6 here, a 7 here, 8 here and a 7 here. Wow. And that should give you a 9 here. 2 is in one of these two cells. So you can remove 2 from these cells. So 1, 3. So you can remove 3 from these cells. This is 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot have anything greater than 5 here, because you already have 6, 7 and 8 already here, and you cannot have 9 as well here. Oh, this is 5, that is 6. That 5 eliminates 5 from this cell, so that 5 has to be here. This eliminates 4 from this cell. Two, 3, 4. Oh, this 1, 3 should remove 1, 3 from this cell. So this is 2, 4 pair. That gives you a 3 here. Wow. 3 is in one of these two cells. Eight cannot be here, so 8 is in one of these two cells. Even 1 cannot be here, so 1 is also in these two cells. So you have 8 and 1 pair here. It's 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This cell would have to be 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This cannot be 1, so 2, 3, 5, 6. Come on. What are you missing here now? Four, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 4, 3 and a 2. Come on, I'm not sure. Oh, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4 quadruplet here already. 7, 5, 6, 8 and 9. 5, 6, 6, 8. Oh. If this is 6, this would have to be 8, this would have to be 9. So this cannot be a 6, this has to be a 5. This cannot be 8, this has to be 6, 7 and 8. So this is 8, 9 pair now. Wow. I am getting something. This is not a 5. Neither this is a 5, this is a 6. So you have 3, 4, this is 2, 3. This cannot be a 4. Wow, what a logic. This cannot be a 4. So this is 2. That gives you a 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? 4 and a 3. This is 1 and a 3. Eight is in one of these two cells. Oh, 5, 6 and 8. It's a triplet here. Oh, this cell cannot be an 8. It's a 5, 6, 8. This cell cannot be a 5. This cell cannot be a 6. So 1, 2 and 9. Three and 9, right? 3, 9. So 1, 2, 4. This cell cannot be a 3. Come on, we should be missing something, but what am I missing? What am I missing? Come on. This cell cannot be 1, 2. It has to be 3, 5, 7 or an 8. 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Not a 6. 3, 5, 7, 8. 5, 2, 3 cannot be here. Oh, this cell is not a 3. Oh, you have to have a 9 here. That gives you 8 and a 9 here. I missed that. That is a 7 here. Eliminate 7 from this cell. This is a 7 here. And these two cells are 7. This is 9 in one of these two cells. Okay. 2 and 3 cannot be here. Or maybe 8 cannot be here. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, 8 cannot be here. 8 cannot be in any of these cells. 8, pointing of 8 is somewhere here. Which means this cell is not an 8, this is a 5. That gives you 6, that gives you an 8 here. And that gives you a 6 here. Normal classic Sudoku rules. So that gives you a 6 in one of these two cells. So this is not a 5, this is not a 4 or a 5. 2, 3, 3, 8. So this cell is not a 4. So these three cells would have a 4 or a 5. This is not a 5. Neither is this a 5. Come on. The end part is quite difficult. I mean, am I missing something? 7, 8, 7. 3, 4, 6 and 6. 3, 4, 6, 8 is not possible. 4, 5, 6 is not possible. 7 is not possible. 8. Okay. This is a really good Sudoku actually. But this cell cannot be a 4. 3 is in one of these two cells. No, 4 is in one of these two. Oh, this cell cannot be a 4. Cannot. Oh, I could have written that 2 here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is not a 2 or a 3. 4, 5. And this is not a 3. It has to be 7, 8. This is not a 1. Not a 5. This is not a 1. Come on. Oh, this is a 5. This is a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 8. 1, 2, 3, 8 quadruplet here. This would have to be a 4. Or in other words, yeah, that was easy to see, but 6, 8 and 9. 8, 1, 6. 1, 8 or a 9. Okay. 2, 3, 7, 8. 7, 8. This is 2, 3. 2, 3, 7 or an 8. Come on. I've mostly done all the thermos here, but I'm not sure what am I missing. Oh, this cell cannot be a 4, then this would be a 3 and you cannot have anything here. But is that helping? Three is in one of these two cells. 8 here. 2. Oh, 2 is in one of these two cells. So this cell cannot be a 2. Come on, I should be missing something. I'm not sure what. This can still be a 6, I think so. Come on. 7 is in one of these two cells. Come on, come on, come on. There has to be something we are missing. It should be easy at the end. Guys, if this is 4, both of these would be 3 and there is no 3 in box 3. Wow. That is amazing. That is really, really amazing. So this has to be a 5. Does that even help us? Come on. So both of these cannot be 3 at the same time, which means this cannot be again a 4. Neither can this be a 4. Oh, this is an 8 now. We got 1 8. 1 cannot be in any of these cells. This is not an 8. Got a 7 here. Not a 7. Two, 3 and a 4. 2, 3, 4, 6 and a 5. 5 would have to be in one of these two cells. I could directly write that it has to be a 6. This cell would have to be a 6 because I have got a 5 6 pair here. So these two cells cannot be 6 because you will have a 5 6 5 6 uniqueness trap here. So this would have to be a 6. But let's see if we are able to crack it without that. This is not a 2 again. 1 3 4. Same way, guys. If this is a 3, both of these are 4, and then you cannot have 4 in box 3. This is 6. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That was amazing, man. What a Sudoku. 2, 3 and a 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This would have to be a 6 now. Am I missing something again? Okay. One, two, three, 9. These two cells will have to be 1 9. Come on. These both are different now. We have already got that. Come on. There is something we are missing. Come on, come on. At the end now, how could we miss it? Two, three, three, four, and 2, 4. We got a Y wing. Wow, this cell is not a 2, it has to be 1. If this is a 2, that gives you a 3 here and a 4 here, and you cannot have anything here. Wow, so this is a 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, that gives you a 9 here, because 3 gets eliminated from here. 3 would have to be one of these two cells. That gives you a 9 here. 3, 1, 9. So this is 2, 4 and 1, 9. That gives you 8, 3, 2 and a 1. 3, 4, so this is 2 and an 8. This is 4, 3, 2, 4 and a 3, 2, 4, 9, 1, 2, 9 and a 4, 3 and a 4 here. Wow, that was amazing Sudoku. There were a few very good tricks here. Really enjoyed this. Both of these would have to be different, because then you cannot have 3 in box 3 and 4 in box 3. That was amazing. And then we got a Y wing here. Wow, hats off to the author. Such an amazing Sudoku by Damo. Thanks a lot for this wonderful Sudoku. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.